In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add star reviews to Shopify store, step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin with the right permissions. From your dashboard, head to the Apps section. This is where you'll find and manage tools that extend your store's functionality, including product reviews. Inside Apps, use the search bar and type in Highlight. This query will surface options in your admin, and among them, you should see Judge.me reviews. Judge.me is a popular, reliable reviews app that makes it simple to display star ratings and collect feedback from your customers, which can boost trust and conversions. Click Judge.me reviews to open its listing, then select Install. Shopify will show you the permissions the app needs, so it can display widgets and request reviews on your behalf. Go ahead and click Install again to confirm. This approval connects Judge.me to your store securely. Once the installation completes, open the Judge.me Reviews app from your apps list. You'll land on their onboarding flow, which guides you through the initial setup. Click Onboarding to get started. When prompted, choose Try Awesome Plan for $0. This free trial gives you access to their stronger features without commitment, which is great for testing the look and feel on your theme before you decide on a plan. Next, click Start your free trial today. Shopify may briefly redirect you to confirm the trial. Approve it, and then return to the Judge.me Reviews app. If you're brought back to your apps list, just click Judge.me Reviews again to re-enter the dashboard. Now it's time to place the visible star ratings on your store. In the Judge.me home screen, click Install Star Rating Badge. This action automatically adds the star rating snippet to your theme, typically on product pages near the product title or price. The app detects most modern Shopify themes and inserts the badge in a sensible spot, so you won't need to edit code. Shopify may open your theme editor to finalize the placement. When you see the prompt, click Got it. That confirms the install and lets the widget render on your live theme. From here, the badge will appear on product pages once you start gathering reviews, and if existing reviews are imported, you'll see stars right away. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Judge.me's settings let you adjust the badge style to better match your branding, and the onboarding area includes options to send automated review requests after purchase. These enhancements don't change what we just installed. They simply help you get the most value from your star ratings. And that's it. Your Shopify store now has star reviews ready to build customer trust.